We're told independence is strength, but what if the real power isn't standing alone, but standing together? A few years ago, I faced one of the toughest moments of my life. Everything felt impossible: work, health, even motivation. I thought I had to push through it alone. Then a friend reached out, just checking in. That small act didn't fix everything, but it reminded me I wasn't fighting alone. Suddenly, tasks seemed smaller, obstacles less intimidating, and hope possible. Connection doesn't just make life better, it makes it survivable. Survival tip: why true friendship is key. Invest in genuine connections. Call a friend you haven't spoken to in a while. Be honest about your struggles and be there for others. Even small gestures, texts, coffee, a simple "I'm here" create bonds that carry you through life's toughest storms. No one thrives alone. Your circle is your survival.